Walking through the city lights, I catch a glimpse of you. Your presence in the dark, it's like a midnight rendezvous. The way you move is captivating, tantalizing you. I'm under your spell, I can't resist, I'm falling for you. Midnight seduction, you're the center of desire. The flames of temptation, setting my soul on fire. You're the soundtrack of this moment, a symphony of love. Every note, every beat, intoxicating.
Hi everyone, impressive, right? A few clicks and you have a video clip. Let's learn how to do this. It's quick, easy and free. Don't tell anyone. Let's do it. First you need to have a song. Let's go to Suno, it's free. You have a new version, V3, and it's fabulous. I have an in-depth video. It's quick and easy tutorial. If you want, have a look at it. At the end of this video, right? Go to Suno. All the links will be in the description. No worries, as always. Just describe your song, generate, and that's it. All you have to do is wait a few seconds. You heard me right? And you have 2 songs. If you click the arrow, you have the URL of the song, which is what we'll need. Let's go to noisee.ai. Link in the description? Of course. They link you up to Discord. No worries, this is very easy. On the left menu, choose Generate MV, music video. Right / on the bar, choose Imagine. Copy the URL. That's it, press enter. All you have to do right now is wait. When they render the video, all you have to do is download it. Very easy. Do so, just click on the upper button on the video. Really easy. Now all you have to do is have fun with it. As always, if you like the video, do like, subscribe and hit that notification button so that I can keep on bringing you the best free tools for you and your projects. Thanks so much for watching. Bye bye for now.